If your semi-truck feels low on power, sluggish, weak on pulls, or just doesn't respond like it used to, this video is for you. Because one of the most common causes of low power on modern diesel trucks isn't major hard failures. It's bad sensor data. This applies to modern diesel engines across the board. DD15s, Cummins, PACCAR, fleet trucks, owner-operator, city trucks, and highway trucks. If it's electrically controlled, it relies on sensors to make decisions. Modern diesel engines don't just make power mechanically anymore. They calculate it. Fueling, boost, EGR flow, and regen strategies are all based on sensor input. So if the sensor is dirty, restricted, damaged, or giving inaccurate information, the engine doesn't know that. It just reacts. In the shop, we see this constantly. Sensors clogged with soot, ports restricted, sensors physically damaged or contaminated. Sometimes the sensor still works electrically, but the data it sends is wrong. And wrong data causes low power. When sensor inputs are off, the engine protects itself. It may limit fueling, it may reduce boosts, it may command more EGR than needed. The driver feels it as low power, but what's really happening is the engine reacting to bad information. And that reaction creates more soot, more heat, and more downstream problems. That extra soot doesn't just stay in one place. It loads up EGR systems, it stresses the turbo, it overwhelms the aftertreatment system. We've seen small sensor issues turn into expensive failures simply because they weren't caught early. This is especially common on trucks that do stop-and-go driving, city routes, short hauls, or heavy loads. Modern engines are efficient, but they're sensitive. They need clean, accurate inputs to run correctly. If your truck is experiencing low power, frequent regens, poor fuel economy, or just doesn't feel right, don't assume it's a major failure. Sensor inspections are simple, fast, and preventative, and they can save you from a lot of unnecessary repairs. If you're in the Dallas area, bring your truck in. We'll inspect the system properly and tell you what's actually causing low power. On modern diesel engines, small sensor problems can create big performance issues. Catch it early.